Hi everyone, I have in front of me the die set for showering you with love. I don't know why it's so hard for me to say that, but this is what you should get. It doesn't come with the little magnet sheet. I just had a small one since it is a small die set, and I'm able to put this piece just on the other side. Now, as you can see, it is a small die set, but it still has a lot of pieces that will make it into something really pretty. And this, you can kind of already see like how large it's going to be. So it's definitely a good size. Now, I want to go ahead and just set these over and show you all the pieces that we're actually going to use. A lot of these on here, like the flowers, this is like ribbon, raindrops, and the tags, those we won't need until we're like decorating. So just the main pieces are what I'm going to show you first. This is the main lid. We're going to need 2 pieces. This is part of the sides of the umbrella. We're going to need 8 pieces. Now these 2 pieces are part of what makes the lid and the bottom part be able to close and whatnot. We're going to need 8 pieces of each one. For the handle, we'll need 2 pieces. Only 1 piece for this one. We'll need 4 pieces of this. And this one right here, we're just going to need 2 pieces. That'll be the top. Now there is one other thing that you need to cut from something you already cut. So with one of the large pieces, we're going to get the very small die, which is this piece right here. And what we're going to do is just kind of eyeball it and center it. I kept the shape the same, so like there's a line right here. It's like pretty much parallel. So I just put that in the middle, added some low tack tape, and then just ran this through the die machine. So then you get this. And that's just pretty much where the handle's gonna go inside the umbrella. Now we can just go ahead and get started, and I'm probably gonna do this one all together. So I'm just gonna grab everything that has the tabs that I need to fold. So I can kind of just fold it all at one time. I'm gonna go ahead and fold everything, but these, I'm just gonna set this off to the side and I'll do that one later. But for these right here, just go ahead and fold all the glue tabs and just separate them into different piles. We're going to start with the size of the umbrella first. So we got 8 pieces. I'm going to grab one of these. Let me see. One's going to be on the inside and one's going to be on top. That's why I kind of centered that little chick right there. So with this, we're going to be gluing the tabs, and it is going to be a little bit rounded. So you could do one of 2 things. You can kind of like use your finger, or I guess you could do like a few different things. You can use a hard object, or you can even curl it with something that's round. Whatever you're more comfortable with, you can go ahead and give it like a curve. That way it's easier to put together. Next, we're going to go ahead and connect everything. You can either start at the top by gluing the pieces together to the octagon, this, or you can start with the sides first. So I'm probably gonna do, I'll probably start with this first and then I'll work my way around the sides. This is the umbrella. Now we're going to do the inside with the larger ones. So with this, the curved end is going to match with the curved end on the umbrella. So you can go ahead and glue that and the tab together. So if you want to do the tabs separate or last, you could do that. I probably will do them last. I'm just going to go ahead and connect them all to the inside of the umbrella. I'm actually going to flip these inside out. I'm just going to use them the other way because I like the pattern on this side. You do not have to do this. So this is what you should have. And then we're going to grab these, our pole, and I made them silver because umbrella pole. So I am gonna fold these. It's gonna be a little trickier because I used mirror card. Using regular cardstock would be a lot easier, but I just wanted to complicate it. So I am just pressing it over a hard edge just to get it to curve, and then I'll be able to bend it a lot easier. I just don't want to get too many bend lines. Next, this curved tab right here, we're just going to glue them all together so it'll shape the pole. Once this dries on the tab end, we're going to put it through this hole, and then we're just going to glue it down. Okay, I'm going to set this aside to let dry and wipe up some of that glue. And pretty much what we did on here, we're going to do on here, only it's going to be flat. So we're going to go around and glue, oops, glue all our pieces inward like this. So, oops. We're going to go like this, and then we'll glue the glue tabs together. Now you can go ahead and glue this to the pole piece. Now we can start on the hook piece. Go ahead and bend your fold. And just on one of these, cut off this little itty bitty tab. And these top pieces are part of the hook at the bottom. So it'll go like this. So we're going to glue that to make both sides look like this. So on one of these, it needs to go opposite way. We're just going to glue this in here, and then this piece will be what covers it so it looks pretty on the side. Once this dries, we'll be able to put it on the end right here. This is how it'll open and close. And it should fit right inside. Okay. So that's your little bottom piece, and that's your top. And you can cover this and decorate it just like they have in the cover photos. They have flowers and pretty things like that. I don't know what I'm going to decorate it with yet, but we will see shortly. There, our cute little umbrella. Now I just need to decorate it. Here is the finished umbrella. Very cute. I like how it came out. And then I just use the flowers and put some ink just in the middle and some clear drop and leaves. And then the ribbon. This is what we made. I hope you guys liked the video, and thanks for watching. Bye.